We all love flowers, but painting white or light colors with watercolor can be challenging since we have no white pigment. There are various ways to do it, using masking, taping, negative painting, but in this class I will show you my favorite and I think most versatile method. It's using white gouache to help us. My name is Ksenia Anis and this is my class, Gouache and Watercolor Flowers. In this class, we will study and compare gouache and watercolor properties and learn how to decide which material to use to our advantage when we paint white or brightly colored flowers. I will illustrate each technique and each application method with demonstrations. And at the end of the class, I will give you some exercises so you can get a better grasp of these materials and paint our class project, your favorite flower or floral composition. This technique is definitely not something new. Painters have used it for centuries. But this class demonstrates a modern approach by using bright colors and free-flowing, expressive watercolor application. This class is about using gouache and watercolor to paint flowers, but of course you can use this technique for anything you want to paint. Let's get started.